Dr. Umar Saif in this online session and online MOU signing ceremony hosted by University of South Asia. University of South Asia is entering a partnership with Milker.com, Pakistan's largest network of volunteers and social welfare organization at one platform. Through this partnership, the students of University of South Asia will be able to connect with thousands of volunteering and internship opportunities in the best social welfare and community service organizations on a single and automated platform. Before proceeding further, I would like to call upon Mr. Babar Hamid for the recitation of Holy Quran.
जी सर, आप ये सुन पा रहे हैं?
जी बाबर साहब, प्लीज.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون. هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم. صدق الله العظيم. صدق رسوله الكريم.
Jazakallah. Now I would like to request the worthy Vice Chancellor for the welcome note and share his vision about this MOU signing. Sir, over to you.
Thank you, Ali. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm so happy to see Mr. Umar Saif. It's been a while and I'm very happy to see him back in action. Welcome, Umar Saif Sahib. As I was told by the Director of Student Affairs that we're going to be signing this MOU with Milker. I have heard about it and I've read about it, and I'm so happy that Milker is doing a wonderful job. Yes, we strongly believe that we need to give access to our young students. We need to connect them with the different organizations where they can find their new opportunities and access to industry and for their placements. I have gone through this MOU, which is a 4 pages MOU. And before we sign, I would like to once again recognize your good work of Milker. And as Umar Saif has been working on different positions in Pakistan, especially in the PITB and in the ITU, and he was also suggesting and advising the government of Punjab. Mr. Umar Saif has a very good and a very strong background, and he has extended a lot of services in terms of strengthening the government of Punjab in the IT sector. University of South Asia has a very strong CS department. We have several other departments also, and our boys and girls are very agile and very brilliant. All we need to do is to provide them with a very nice platform where they can even excel more. Well, I'm looking forward to a very great partnership with Milker. And I'd like to welcome Mr. Umar Saif and his team and Milker for this MOU signing. This MOU signing is one of its own kinds. We were doing an online MOU signing. So we will be signing the MOU and showing to each other in the end. With this, I would like to now hand it over back to Mr. Ali so that we can proceed further. Thank you so much, and welcome everybody.
Thank you very much. Before I proceed further and request our distinguished guest to have few words with us, I would like to show a small introductory video on Milker. Mr. Ehtasham, can we please play the video?
दर्दमंद दिल है, दुख को खुशी से, आंसू को मुस्कुराहट से बदल देने का जज्बा है।
मिलकर वॉलंटियर करने का एक प्लेटफॉर्म है
इसमें हम सब मिलकर एक खूबसूरत मुआशरा तामीर करें।
इस मुल्क की खिदमत करें, इस मुआशरे की खिदमत करें, इस सोसाइटी की खिदमत करें।
पाकिस्तान को पुख्ता बनाएं और ख़ास तौर पे ख़वातीन और बच्चियों के मुस्तक़बिल को बेहतर करें।
जितना मैक्सिमम आप अपनी आखिरत के लिए काम कर सकते हैं, हमारे साथ मिलकर काम करें।
आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि आप सब हमारा साथ दें। वो मिलकर काम अचीव हो सकता है, वो अकेले नहीं हो सकता।
फलाही कामों में मसरूफ इदारों का साथ दें। बतौर वॉलंटियर शामिल होकर नेकी के कामों में हाथ बटाएं। अभी अपनी रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाइए www.milkar.com। जो तन्हा नहीं वो मिलकर मुमकिन है।
Very self-explanatory and very good video. Dr. Saab, I would like to request you to kindly share your vision on this Milkar initiative which you took. और ये मिलकर जो है ये वेबसाइट बेसिकली करेगी क्या हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए? थोड़ा सा तो हमने वीडियो में भी देख लिया काफी ज्यादा, लेकिन we would like to hear from you, sir.
Sure. बड़ी मेहरबानी अली. Thank you for inviting me and giving me this opportunity to participate in this online MOU signing ceremony. Imran Saab and I go back a long time. My introduction to him was actually through his nephew, who was my class fellow at HSN for many years. Uska naam Ali Akbar hai, and he's a mashallah superstar of our batch, and he's done so remarkably well. And he used to idolize and always speak of his mamu. And then we finally found out that that's Imran Masood Saab, and Imran Saab has done also fantastic work in the education sector in Punjab. He was the Minister of Education in Punjab and did remarkable work that the government that I was part of actually carried on with. And I often tell people that Punjab's success was largely in not changing major policies for good about 20 years from Khalid Maqbool Saab all the way to Shahbaz Sharif. Actually, some of the key policies in enrollment, in bringing out of school children to classrooms, in revamping curriculum, etc. All of the major KPIs were kept the same over a period of about 20 years. Actually, it was a well-run province, and it was and that was the key to success. And I hope the same kind of energy and focus on school education continues in this regime and the ones after this. It is a very important issue, and Imran Masood Saab played an important role in this for many years when he was part of the government. Milkar is actually came out of a dinner conversation. So I was in Karachi with a bunch of friends on a dinner in one of the lives that I have, and in that life I get to meet important people. So these were important people. Some of them were running schools, some of them were running NGOs, some of them were very wealthy people. And in that dinner conversation, someone brought up this issue that I'm working on all these initiatives, but I can't seem to find good people who could volunteer for this cause. And he spoke about his time in US when he was working there. And he said कि बाहर के मुल्कों में सोसाइटी में, especially young लोगों में, ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक कल्चर का हिस्सा है कि they take out time and go volunteer for foundations and organizations and projects. In fact, अगर अमेरिकी यूनिवर्सिटी किसी के अंदर एडमिशन के लिए अप्लाई करें तो आपके एकेडमिक ग्रेड से ज़्यादा वो आपकी कम्युनिटी सर्विस को वैल्यू करते हैं. So इतना इस पे एम्फोसिस है इस चीज़ पर. And he said he was lamenting कि पाकिस्तान में ये इस तरह नहीं है. Then someone who was running a school also spoke up and said that हम तो अपने बच्चों को चाहते हैं कि वो कम्युनिटी सर्विस करें और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का वॉलंटियर करें, लेकिन कोई आसान रास्ता नहीं है जिसमें we can find bona fide good projects and organizations that our students can go and volunteer for. So I on that dinner volunteered and said I'll build a platform over a weekend because all of you are here and I know most people who run NGOs and academic institutions and so on. What if we were to put together a matchmaking platform where students and volunteers can come and make their profile much like they would make on LinkedIn, and organizations can come in and list their projects, and students can apply to be part of these projects, and once they volunteered for them, this online profile gets updated automatically also. So it becomes a public record of someone having done volunteer work. वो फिर मैंने कहा मैं वीकेंड पे बना लूँगा, तो हमने वीकेंड पे तो पता नहीं बना, वो इट टुक मी लॉन्गर देन अ वीकेंड टू मेक द प्लेटफॉर्म and then to go out to all these large NGOs. अब 107 NGOs हैं पाकिस्तान के, जितने भी बड़े NGOs हैं, are all part of this platform and are all running their projects and recruiting volunteers from this platform. तो वो भी हमने कर लिया, और ये वाकई इस तरह बन गया कि students और volunteers could sort of apply to become part of a project of, let's say, WWF or SOS or Al-Khidmat or Akhuwat. So they could be, or UNDP or whatever, they could become part of their projects. और अगर वो वॉलंटियर करते हैं तो इदारा उसका रिव्यू भी लिख सकता है, ये वेरीफाई कर सकता है कि वाकई इन्होंने वॉलंटियर किया, तो इट देन बिकम्स पार्ट ऑफ योर पब्लिक रिकॉर्ड. सो आई थिंक ऑफ दिस ऑलमोस्ट एज अ लिंक्डइन ऑफ हैविंग डन सोशल वर्क फॉर पीपल. और ये हम आई डू अदर थिंग्स दैट आर फॉर प्रॉफिट वेंचर. सो दिस इजंट अ फॉर प्रॉफिट वेंचर, दिस वाज कंसीव्ड टू बी फ्री फ्रॉम डे वन, एंड द गोल वाज कि हम किसी तरीके से यंग लोगों में वॉलंटियर करने के कल्चर मुतारिफ करा दें. तो इसका सारा जो इसका पर्पस है सारी एक्टिविटी का वो ये है. तो फिर विद दिस पर्पस वन वी साइंड अप द kind of demand side was NGOs wanting to recruit volunteers, and now we are trying to go to organizations, academic institutions to build the supply side for this. Usme we could run TV campaigns and so on. Some of the media channels are part of our Milkar platform, तो वो TV पे इश्तिहार चला देते हैं हमारा, और through that we get a few hundred volunteers. लेकिन important ये है कि we formalize this with schools and universities now, कि schools और universities में बहुत सौ में तो एक formal academic credit unit हैं भी for social work before people graduate. तो वो किसी ने 65 credit units करने हैं before they graduate, किसी ने 85 करने हैं. So we working with Superior, we working with UCP, उनके 65 हैं, के 85 credit units हैं of social work the students must do and give evidence of before they are allowed to graduate. तो एक तो इसको formalize कर लिया जाए. अब उनकी universities के specialized इसी platform के ऊपर पेजेस बन गए हैं जिसमें उनके स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, तो उनको 65 आवर्स इन अ सेमेस्टर के वॉलंटियर वर्क की अपॉर्चुनिटीज नजर आ जाती हैं. सो दे वॉलंटियर फॉर इट एंड द रिपोर्ट गोज डायरेक्टली टू द स्टूडेंट अफेयर्स ऑफिस. सो वी फॉर्मलाइज दैट अफेयर कि थ्रू दिस students would go and volunteer only for bona fide organizations and projects. The organization that they're working for would verify yes they volunteered, and the report would go to their student affairs office directly, और वो अपने सिर्फ यूनिवर्सिटी के ऑफिशियल ईमेल आईडी से याद कर सकते हैं. सो इट्स फॉर्मलाइज दैट होल अरेंजमेंट जो थोड़ा नेबुलस था पहले, को सोशल वर्क करना तो है बट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं, कि बस ऐसे कागज दे रहे हैं, और बाकी उससे सोसाइटी में फर्क पड़ भी रहा है, क्योंकि इसकी स्पिरिट तो बहुत अच्छी है. स्पिरिट तो ये कि यूनिवर्सिटीज वांट देयर स्टूडेंट्स टू वॉलंटियर फॉर सोशल कॉजेज, इनफैक्ट आर रेडी टू आल्सो गिव देम एकेडमिक क्रेडिट यूनिट्स. कोई 3 एकेडमिक क्रेडिट यूनिट्स देता है, 4 देता है इन देयर ट्रांसक्रिप्ट ऑफ सोशल वर्क, लेकिन उसको फॉर्मलाइज करना बड़ा जरूरी था. तो नाउ वी आर ट्राइंग टू फॉर्मलाइज दिस, और इसी तरह ये हमने सुपीरियर के साथ किया, यूसीपी के साथ किया, और हमने स्कूल्स के साथ किया. तो वी डन विद LGS नाउ, वी डन विद ISL, वी आर गोइंग टू ऑल द अदर स्कूल्स, बीकन हाउसेस, सिटी स्कूल्स एटसेट्रा. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता वी आर डूइंग ऑल ऑफ दिस, और अब ताकि स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स भी इसके ऊपर फॉर्मलाइज हो जाएं. और अब आपके पास भी आए हैं क्योंकि इमरान साहब इसको चलाते हैं, तो you guys are forward looking, nimble हैं, your decision making is quick, and you sort of very quickly understand the kind of the spirit of what we want to achieve. तो goal ये है कि we also make a specialized sort of a platform within this for USA students, and they could volunteer, and when they volunteer you see evidence कि उन्होंने वाकई जाके SOS विलेज के अंदर ये काम इस वीकेंड पे किया और 5 घंटे गुजारे. तो out of the 50 hours or 40 hours 65 hours they were supposed to do this semester, 5 घंटे उन्होंने इस वीकेंड पे काम किया. The organization did verify it, and the report goes directly to your student affairs office, and they make a public profile. इसका ये भी फायदा है कि when these students when they graduate, of course पहली रिक्वायरमेंट हाफिज़दारे की होती है कि आपने डिग्री तो ली है लेकिन कोई एक्सपीरियंस है आपका where you worked, which would make you eligible for this job. So this would then begin to show up as experience also. कि हाँ देखिए, even though it was a non-paid volunteer activity, but I did go and work with Akhuwat Foundation, and we helped them do this. Or we worked with Kashaf Foundation, and we helped them raise microfinance loans, or do bookkeeping for this, or mobilize the community. And these are useful things to do. So this could become sort of really good experience for you to become eligible for job opportunities. Or we are hoping that at some stage, or the ugly way once we've done this, is to go to CS, to go to corporations, big corporations like Nestle's and Engros and so on and so forth. उनकी जो CSR divisions है, उनसे बात की जाए कि आप जो CSR एक्टिविटीज करते हैं, कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, कुछ पेड और कुछ नॉन पेड, वो दोनों भी इसके थ्रू लोगों को रिक्रूट करना शुरू करें. तो इसका मतलब है कि यू वुडंट हैव जस्ट volunteered for NGOs, you would have volunteered also for projects, even though they are CSR projects, for large corporations. So I think this would really enhance chances of people getting job opportunities with these organizations, because they would really strengthen your CV also. So this is sort of a practical view of this, but my idealistic view of this is that students in Pakistan, or 5-6 lakh students in universities में पढ़ते हैं जो कि eligible हैं for doing this, if they started contributing to social work, from planting trees to cleaning beaches to teaching kids in SOS villages to doing telemedicine from medical universities के लोग हैं in remote areas, and so on and so forth. ये ऐसी activities जो हम कर सकते हैं, right? So I remember I was talking to someone and they said मैं कराची में रहता हूँ, मुझे मिलकर पे कोई activity नजर नहीं आई जो मैं अपनी बीवी और बच्चों के साथ कर सकूँ. So they wanted to go to SOS village and read books to those kids there, and for their kids to play with kids in SOS villages. Now, it's something that we should do. It is us giving back to society. Easy to do also. It's a weekend activity for your kids. Also in a country where there's not much else to do. आज आके हम रात को खाना खा लेते हैं. That's the only entertainment we have. But we don't really as a family also participate in these activities. So I think these are good things to do. And I remember पिछले दिनों जो लाहौर में नए आए हैं FCDO के जो representative पहले DFID के होते थे, so he came and met with me because he heard of Milker, because we organized a cycling drive and he wanted to be part of that. Okay, what a good activity to do. It raises awareness about climate change and environment protection and so on. And over a weekend, we gather people and encourage them to take bicycles as opposed to taking cars to various places. And even though it's a small activity, it doesn't take much. It takes 1 hour of your time. It's a healthy thing to do. It's good for your health also, and it raises awareness about environment. So I think that's what our goal is, and this could really become very meaningful. और पाकिस्तान जैसे मुल्क में जहाँ देखिए कि हम गवर्नमेंट को ब्लेम करते हैं या मुल्क को ब्लेम करते हैं, लेकिन रिसोर्सेज भी बहुत कम है to fix things. हाँ, लेकिन communities can work together to solve a lot of their local problems, from taking care of waste management, sanitation, clean drinking water. Why can't through Milker a lot of people can get together and set up a water filtration plant? हर कोई अगर 10,000 रुपये भी डाले तो कम्युनिटी खुद से सेटअप करती है, मेंटेन कर सकती है, and less privileged people can actually benefit from it. लेकिन looking to the government or someone else to do this is maybe too big an ask right now, given the financial difficulties that developing countries go through. So I think it is really up to us to take things in our own hands and really solve our community problems. And I think all you need is a platform and maybe some encouragement to do it.
Great, Dr. Saab. This is a wonderful initiative. Then I have a question. जो students पूछ रहे थे, can institutions like also propose any volunteer work? For instance, University of South Asia is like very जो हमारे वाइस चांसलर साहब है, he has a vision of CSR, and हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी बड़ी उसमें forefront पे होती है. जो हम इनिशिएटिव लेंगे as your partner, as a partner of Milker.com, तो वो भी मिलकर उसको आगे प्रपोज करेगा और वो सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, तमाम यूनिवर्सिटीज के स्टूडेंट के लिए ओपन होगा, या वो स्पेसिफिकली हमारे लिए ही होगा?
So of course you could make it both ways. You could make it such that you only recruit from your university, or you could make it such that it is publicly advertised and anyone can join. You could do it here or another city or wherever you want. And because some of the media channels and large ones are part of this activity also, we'll put out a word for you as well. So when you start a big activity, जैसे हमने winter clothing drive की with Afuat and with Chadar Foundation, तो उनके गरीब लोगों को अपने पुराने कपड़े देते, वो धोकर ड्राई क्लीन करके पैकेट में डाल के उन तक पहुंचाने थे. तो उसमें वॉलंटियर्स का भी काम था, बट द कैंपेन वाज सो पावरफुल. सो वी रन टीवी एड्स फॉर इट एक्चुअली for several days, like a week-long campaign and newspaper ads and so on, कि ये activity चल रही है, people should come and volunteer, and it was very successful. So we are happy to do not just be able to start volunteering activities, recruit people from your universities and other places, but also we'll help you put out a word to the masses so that more and more people can join these activities. So ये सारा हम इंशाल्लाह करना चाहते हैं, and we're very committed to this, and thank you for taking out the time to do it, to work with us, to collaborate with us. And मैं जब जा रहा होता हूँ, my office is one of my offices used to be on the other side of this Cavalier Bridge. The left side, I would see the university campus, and mashallah, it's so centrally situated, and I'm sure attracts all these great students, and your vision for your student body and for the intellectual capital that you have within the university to contribute positively towards the society. So inshallah, I think we see great things happening together. It is a platform, but what you make of it is largely also up to you. Kashf is a very active guy on our side, but he was also speaking very highly of your university administration. So I am hoping inshallah we'll take this forward, and you will both have your students volunteer for activities as well as start activities that the students can volunteer for. I hope
Great.
some.
Dr. Saab, there is a question coming from students because you are very famous and you enjoy a celebrity status, which is regarding computer science. So students are asking, what is the future of computer sciences? I mean, should they keep on studying computer sciences, or its days are gone? Like engineering is down in Pakistan and other subjects. So what is your take on this, sir?
नहीं सर, आईटी का रोल बढ़ता जा रहा है. जब मैंने कंप्यूटर साइंस पढ़ी थी, आई गिव यू एग्जांपल ऑफ अली अकबर, जो बड़े लाइक थे, मेरे साथ क्लास में थे, इमरान के नेफ्यू हैं, और वो he became an investment banker, and I think he runs a hedge fund or something like this now, and all of majority of my HSM class fellows at the time became Wall Street guys, and I did computer science. It wasn't a big thing to do at the time. But I did it because I was personally very interested in writing algorithms, and I liked it. So that's why I did it. लेकिन अब मुझे लगता है कि जैसे financial markets में all these billion people go in, but there was a time जब लोग $400 million भी साल के बना लेते थे. अब that time is gone. So they all do great, but none of them has made $400 million. But then look at all the IT people who've done considerably well. But I think it is just beginning to start. अब IT का मतलब I saw a tweet yesterday, well, what is IT anymore, right? So IT is disrupting banks. So if you start PayPal, is it an IT company or a bank? No one knows. But I think IT guys are bankers also. Tesla, is it an IT company or a car manufacturing company? No one knows. Maybe it is both, but IT people are certainly making cars at this point. They're making space rockets. But my favorite thing in IT is that they're also doing drug discovery. So, आपको जो भी vaccine Moderna या Pfizer वगैरह लग रहा है, these are all, a large part of that came from computer science, in trying to sequence the genome, figuring out कि वो DNA की कौन सी चीज़ है जिसको insert करना है जिससे body में vaccine बनती है, etc. So इस तरह से ये भी science बहुत advance हुई है, और ये जो नई drug discovery जिसको हम biological systems कहते हैं, drug discovery कहते हैं, या bioinformatics कहते हैं, this is the field of the future. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगले 20-30 साल की जो field है वो actually IT और बायोलॉजी की जो इंटरसेक्शन है वो है, और उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोग्रेस होगी. बट ऑल्सो एज यू नो सीन, एंड I think at Goldman Sachs, a big bank, some years ago, and they invited me for a keynote talk there, and I said, well, your banks are going to get disrupted very quickly, and they were smart people, but very of course people who believed in what they were doing. So they all challenged me कि नहीं ये मुमकिन नहीं है. But now see what's going on, right? So I think the financial institutions will almost cease to exist. They will only be virtual. ये जो banks and branches हैं, ये 4-5-10 साल की बात है. In a country like Pakistan, ये सब बदल जाएगा. So, and same for, you know, the car manufacturing के ज़माने में used to be a total sort of mechanical job. अब वो सारी automate हो गई है, IT बन गई है, और अब ये अब कह रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की नौकरियां नहीं, लेकिन ये इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स तो सारी वो इंडस्ट्री को रिवैम्प कर देंगे. इसके बाद इलेक्ट्रिकल जहाज बनने शुरू हो जाएंगे, and so on. So basically what's going to happen, smart grids बनने शुरू हो जाएंगे. In every field you would see IT disrupting, intruding, or revamping that entire category of industry. And I see that happening very quickly in countries like Pakistan, of course, because the industry is primitive and labor arbitrage पे ज़्यादा काम करते हैं, labor intensive industry है, तो ज़रा थोड़ी देर के बाद impact आएगा. लेकिन globally, I think the highest paid jobs now are all IT related jobs, one way or the other. So I would really encourage people to pursue IT. And then again, once again, IT को ये नहीं कि computer science की degree करना IT है. Even if you're doing mechanical engineering or you're doing financial engineering or whatever, you are doing a large part of IT as part of your degree now, because उसके बगैर तो वो industry अपनी चल सकती. So therefore, I encourage people to take lots of computer science courses, IT courses. This is an industry that's bound to grow and bound to change the way things happen. You know, my wife often jokes कि मैंने पंजाब में एक फर्द वाला एक डिजिटल सिस्टम सा बनाया था, ये काफ़ी बढ़ गया. पहले भी था, उसी को आगे रिवैम्प करके आगे बना के आपको 55 मिलियन फार्मर्स का उसमें डेटा डिजिटाइज हो गया. इस तरह हमने स्टैम्प पेपर्स को डिजिटाइज किया. और एक हमने जो किया वो ये जो ट्रैफिक के चलान है, ई चलान है ना, तो माई वाइफ ऑफ्टन शी ड्राइव्स फास्ट आई बिलीव, तो महीने में एक आध दफ़ा उसको वो चालान घर आ जाता है। तो हर दफ़ा वो लेके आती है मेरे पास कि तूने मेरी मदद तो ज़िंदगी में कोई नहीं की, बट एवरी मंथ आई हैव टू पे दिस चालान नाउ बिकॉज देयर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चालान्स कमिंग थ्रू। सो है तो छोटी सी बात, मतलब हमारे लिए कोई ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं था ये करना, लेकिन छोटे छोटे चीज़ों से कि लैंड रेकॉर्ड का सिस्टम बन जाए या स्टैम्प पेपर्स का बन जाए या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चालान बन जाए या या कोई FIRs डिजिटाइज हो जाए या इस तरह से। हमने एक छोटा सा एक प्लान 9 के नाम से एक इंक्यूबेटर बनाया जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स को डू स्टार्टअप्स। देखने में ये इतना डिडंट टेक अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट फ्रॉम मी टू डू दिस थिंग्स, बट उनसे देखिए कितनी बड़ी चेंज आई है ना। तो दीज थिंग्स मैसिवली चेंज द वे सॉर्ट ऑफ सोसाइटीज ऑपरेट एंड डू देयर थिंग्स एंड सो ऑन। So I think IT has a huge role to play in the commercial world, in the government and NGOs, and I would encourage people to certainly pursue it.
ग्रेट डॉक्टर साहब, आपने अभी प्लान 9 का जिक्र किया, तो देयर इज अनदर, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारे पास टाइम लिमिटेशन है, देयर इज बट अ लास्ट क्वेश्चन प्लान 9 से। When I was back like 2-3 years ago, I was an engineering teacher. I could see a lot of our students at University of South Asia doing phenomenal projects, and they made prototypes as well. उसमें controlled farming का, even sensor aided cars, they made sensor aided cars as well, smart grid, smart homes के prototypes, workable prototypes. But plan 9 is only one institution, one place for 22 crore people here in Pakistan. तो क्या मिलकर के ऊपर भी आप कोई ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी स्टूडेंट्स को देंगे कि इस तरह के जबरदस्त प्रोजेक्ट जो हैं, they can get connected with the industries, they can commercialize those projects, because I've seen few of our projects जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने किए, बाद में I saw them in the news कि इसराइल में, अमेरिका में और बाकी वेस्टर्न स्ट्रॉन्ग कंट्रीज के अंदर वो कमर्शियल लेवल के ऊपर उन पे वर्किंग हो रही है, वहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स ने भी किए। तो आपका इसके बारे में क्या टेक है? Will you ever provide such platform on Milker?
Well, so Milker is for volunteering and so on, but the main thing that I do is called Khudi Ventures, and that's where we try and make money. और उसके अंदर अब हम we will open it up for more and more projects. We are working on 3 right now, but Plan 9, by the way, itself has expanded now. The current government has expanded to various districts. The federal government picked it up, started making NICs, National Incubation Centers. तो वो idea लेके other people have also executed. Karachi में private sector में Nest IO है. So there are several others who stepped up and replicated this model even more successfully than we did initially. But I think ये जो आपकी बात है ना, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। बात ये है कि students when they graduating work on their final year projects or independent projects, and a lot of them have opportunity to get commercialized and become big. अब देखिए, मैं आमतौर पे ना ट्वीट भी करता रहता हूँ ऐसे इसके ऊपर, लेकिन आप अगर देखिए कि Airbnb किधर से शुरू हुआ है ना, या Amazon कहाँ से शुरू हुआ, ये देखने में लगता है कि बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज है, लेकिन शुरू वो बिल्कुल उन्हीं मुश्किलात से और उसी स्केल पे हुए थे जिसमें एक यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोजेक्ट शुरू होता है। सो फॉर इंस्टेंस मैं आपको एक इंसिडेंट सुनाता हूँ, बहुत ज़बरदस्त इंसिडेंट है कि ये हम जेफ बीजोस को कितना बड़ा बंदा समझते हैं जो कि अमेज़ॉन चलाता है। तो उसने का खुद इंटरव्यू, उसने अपने इंटरव्यू में खुद ये बताया कि जब मैंने ये शुरू किया ना, तो मैं किताबें ऑफ कोर्स बेचता रहा था अमेज़ॉन पे, तो हमें ऑर्डर आते थे, तो बैठकर मैं उनको डब्बों में डालता था वो किताबों को, फिर उसको टेप लगाता था और फिर उसको जाके UPS से शिप कर देता था लोगों को। शुरू में मैं खुद ये किया करता था ना, तो इस तरह उसने शुरू किया, कमरे में खुद से किताबें बाजार से खरीदी, डब्बों में बंद की, टेपें लगाई और फिर लोगों को भेजी। ठीक, तो वो ज़मीन पे बैठ के ये करता था। तो उसने कहा मैंने एक इंटर्न हायर किया जो ज़रा निस्बतन स्मार्ट था और नया था, तो वो भी मेरे साथ ज़मीन पे बैठ के ये किया करता था। तो एक दिन हम बैठ के कर रहे, तो वो क्योंकि ज़मीन पे बैठ के करना पड़ता है तो नीज जो है ना ये स्क्रैप हो जाती थी, मतलब ज़मीन पे बैठ के आप काम कर रहे हो तो नीज स्क्रैप हो जाती है। तो उसने कहा यार ये नीज उसकी भी होनी थी, मेरी भी होनी थी। मैंने तो कहा यार आई हैव अ ग्रेट आइडिया, आई हैव एन आइडिया कि वी शुड बाय दीज नी कैप्स। वो नहीं होते वो रोलर ब्लेडर्स एक्सेट्रा, नी कैप्स पहनते प्लास्टिक के होते हैं घुटनों के ऊपर कि चोट ना लग जाए। तो उसने कहा कि वी शुड बाय नी कैप्स, क्योंकि मैं ज़मीन पे बैठ के 4-5 घंटे चीज़ें पैक करके भेजना पड़ता, नी स्क्रैप हो जाती हैं, तो वी शुड बाय नी कैप्स। तो उसने कहा वो जो बच्चा था उसने मुझे दिखा जैसे आई एम द मोस्ट स्टूपिड गाय इन द वर्ल्ड, ही सेड वी शुड बाय अ टेबल। टेबल उस पर रख लेते हैं, उस पर रख के इसको पैक करके भेज दिया करेंगे। ये उसने खुद अपने इंटरव्यू में बताया। सो सोचिए कि इतनी प्रिमिटिव थिंकिंग और इस स्केल पे अमेज़ॉन शुरू हुई थी, है ना, एंड नाउ इज वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड, राइट? And I can tell you this story just about anything. I knew the Stanford kids who did Google etc. at the time. और वो उधर पीएच स्टूडेंट से, तो वो हम उस वक्त एक ही टाइम पे, मैं भी ग्रेड स्टूडेंट था उस वक्त, तो हम सबको ईमेल करते थे कि हमारा इंजन ट्राई करो, ये वो क्रैश कर देता था जब उसको कैसे भी करते थे etc. तो उससे ये यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट से 2, और ये मार्क ज़करबर्ग जब फेसबुक में था तो उससे लोग इंटरव्यू उसका, उससे पूछा आप कहाँ तक सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हैं, उसने कहा मैं चाहता हूँ मेरी सर्विस पे 1 मिलियन लोग आ जाएं, दैट्स हाउ सक्सेसफुल आई वांट टू बी। सो क्लियरली इट इज अप देयर सेवरल बिलियन पीपल यूज दिस सर्विस। तो ये इसी स्केल से शुरू हुए और इन्हीं मुश्किलात से शुरू हुए। तो थिंकिंग के पाकिस्तान में हम एक कमरे में बैठ के अगली फेसबुक नहीं बना सकते, बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है। यही स्टूडेंट्स कर सकते हैं, 100% कर सकते हैं। देयर इज नथिंग इन दिस कंट्री that we don't have that they need to accomplish this। इसी तरह होता है। और हमने प्लान 9 से कितनी ऐसी कंपनीज बनाई हैं, कुछ भी नहीं, क्या एक फ्लोर है जिसमें आके वो अपने लोग प्रोजेक्ट्स कर रहे हैं, उनको छोटा सा स्टाइपेंड देते थे और इस तरह के मैं रोज लेक्चर दिया करता था कि आप भी कर सकते हैं। सी हाउ फार दोज पीपल हैव गॉटन, these companies have all become large companies, मतलब ये तो कुछ तो बहुत बड़ी हो गई हैं। एंड वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट दिस कपल, ये द बॉय एंड गर्ल जो हाथ से ये लेदर शूज बना रहे थे। तो मुझे याद है, मैं दफ्तर मुझे देने आए तो वो जो है ना अपना वकास उसका नाम है, तो वो ज़मीन पे बैठ गया और मुझे खुद जूते बनाना शुरू हो गया। वो हैंडमेड लेदर शूज ऑनलाइन बेच रहे थे, मार्फोर्ड के नाम से कंपनी। तो मैंने कहा ये मत करो, मुझे बुरा लग रहा है। उसने कहा नहीं मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मैं जब अपना प्रोडक्ट खुद बनाता हूँ तो मैं उसको खुद ट्राई करवाता हूँ। वो ज़मीन पे बैठ के लोगों को अपने हाथ से जूते पहना रहा था, इतना कमिटेड था। Now they've started this company called Wear Atoms, both of them, Sidra and Waqas. And what that company is worth like $100 million or something. New York में दोनों based हैं and so on based on this. और माशाल्लाह they've grown. अभी ये Humans of New York के ऊपर उनका वो आर्टिकल भी आया था, उनकी स्टोरी सिद्रा की आई थी। तो ये बच्चे हमारे सामने बड़े हुए हैं और प्लान 9 में थे। और मुझे याद है उनका 6 महीने खत्म हो गए प्लान 9 में, दे स्टिल वांटेड टू डू इट। तो मेरे पास जगह नहीं थी प्लान 9 में, तो मैं इनको कोई और दफ्तर दे दो इनको फ्री का, ताकि अपने काम पे काम करते रहें, लगता है बहुत पोटेंशियल है कहीं पहुंचेंगे। तो हमारे पास जगह नहीं थी, तो हमने एक बाथरूम था उसको तोड़वाया और उसको कमरे में चेंज करवाया अल्फा टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क में। आई गिव दिस रूम टू Sidra and Waqas कि इसमें काम करते रहो। And then they both worked on it, continued to work on it, ran a campaign, Kickstarter campaign, moved to US and started this company, and mashallah have done so well, and that's great to see। और इस तरह की कई स्टोरीज हैं। These are, और क्या वो ओकाड़ा से आए थे और रिक्शे पे आया करते थे प्लान 9 में। So certainly it is possible and you could certainly go on and do very well, and I'm a big believer in this। तो मेरा ये ख्याल है कि स्टूडेंट्स को सर्टनली अपने एंटरप्रेन्योरियल एम्बिशंस को फॉलो करना चाहिए। क्योंकि आपको कल कोई कहना जाके स्पिनिंग में लगा लो, पार्ट ऑफ माय फैमिली इज इन टेक्सटाइल, तो वो कितने की लगती है? वो 1 अरब रुपए की लगती है। आपको कोई जाके आपको शुगर मिल लगा लो, वो 2 अरब रुपए की लगती है। कोई बैंक खड़ा कर लो, वो 5 अरब रुपए का लगता है ना। 5 अरब, यू नीड इक्विटी ऑफ 5 बिलियन टू स्टार्ट अ बैंक। तो ये तो आम आदमी नहीं शुरू करता। अगर आपको ये कहा जाए जाके कल एक फेसबुक शुरू कर लो, ये आप कर सकते हैं। All you need is 3 friends in a garage and you can start a company. You don't really need much. You don't need anyone's permission, capital or support to do it. All you need is an idea and your will to execute it. And that's how all these companies started. So I think this really is the route for Pakistani young people to change their lives of people around them, and change this country.
Great. Thank you, Dr. for this motivating talk. Now I would like to request Vice Chancellor Mr. Mia Imran Masood and Dr. you as well to sign the MOU and show it on the screen. So it would be first of its own kind, a digital MOU signing ceremony.
Sir, ये मैंने पेन पकड़ लिया है साइन करने के लिए जनाब वाला, और मैंने भी पहले ऐसे कभी नहीं किया, मैं भी पहली बार ही करने चला।
We at University of South Asia always believe in innovating, new ideas, like you said, and this is one of the ideas which Corona has, COVID-19 lockdown has made, forced us to innovate.
सही बात है, ये बिल्कुल दुरुस्त बात है। Imran sir, I have signed my document. This was a 3-page one, so I've signed it 3-page. Here you go, and we'll now show this on screen. That's what we want to do. There are stamp paper checkers. It's a very formal arrangement. I didn't quite realize. So here you go. So it's signed now from my side, and I'll be sending it to Imran sir shortly as well. So thank you, sir, for partnering with us, and it really is a pleasure to be able to connect with you, Imran Saab. See you again, mashallah, in good health, and catch up with you, and we look forward to taking this forward, sir.
Now I would like to request Mia Imran Sir for the closing note.
Acha. Congratulations, Umar Sahib. Milker and USA have now become partners. And I'm very thankful to all the participants who have witnessed this historical MOU signing today that we have signed. Thank you, Umar Sahib, for your very encouraging talk and your message to our young students. The way you explain the future of IT and all these startups that you just mentioned, I think take-home message is very strong. About Milker, you've just explained the idea, the passion that was behind Milker's, formation and establishment. I can see that passion in you, the will to work, and that has brought Milker in partnership with a lot of these important NGOs like Akhuwat and SOS and some other these organizations. University of South Asia also does its CSR. We are working in the education sector, in the school sector. We're running a few schools of the Education Department of Punjab. There are about 130 schools that we are running. We are doing the enrollment and out-of-school children into the schools, retention, taking care of the dropout, giving them funds, uniforms, books, etc., etc. With this platform that now we have signed, will give an access to our young students to do their volunteer work for the students and internships. Internships and volunteer work has a lot of weight when you apply for the foreign scholarships or maybe for admissions. And I think they have a great scope. Now, making this portal, which is very accessible to our young students, will enable them to think more and to connect them, more and more. I'll not take much of your time, but I'm looking forward to a greater partnership with you and to work on different areas. Just little thing that now that you mentioned schools also, I would like to mention here that I represent education council, which is known as Pakistan Education Council. I'm heading as a president. It represents all the elite schools of Pakistan. So maybe Milker can connect with PEC, which I'm heading as a president, and we can even help you and support you in the school sector. And another thing that which could be useful for you is that I also represent the entire universities of Pakistan in the private sector. We have made this association called APSAP. APSAP is all Pakistan private sector universities of Pakistan. And we are all in 4 provinces. I'm the chief spokesperson. I'm the vice president. So Milker has now a lot of platforms available, like universities, like schools, and especially University of South Asia. University of South Asia wants to take the lead in connecting, Milker with other organizations. So I think your passion matches our passion also. So both the passions can get together, and we can reach to some stage where we can help this community, where we can do our CSR, where we can take Pakistan ahead with all our single effort that we can put into it. So with this, I'd like to thank you, and I'd like to invite you someday, come over and visit us, give us a talk to our young students. And yes, this COVID has been a very challenging time. And the only solution to this problem was the IT. IT was a great solution. Online worked a lot, and we're looking forward to even more progress in this. I strongly believe that 10 years after now will be a different Pakistan. It's going to be a digital Pakistan. Everything is going to be E. And I think you are one of the initiators of this IT, initiative that you took, and your era which you've been working and advising the government has been a wonderful era. I guess computerization of the land records and e-chalans and e-registration, e-banking, e-commerce, that has brought a lot of change now in Pakistan's community, in society also. So with this, I'd like to thank the Director of Student Affairs for connecting us with Milker, It's a delight to hear and meet Mr. Umar Saif and Milker and USA. दोनों मिलकर जो है अब इंशाल्लाह ताला आगे चलेंगे और मिलकर को हम ज़्यादा strong करेंगे. With this, I thank you and have a happy Ramadan and a very happy day today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Saab. It is always nice and pleasant, listening to you and talking to you. And thank you very much for accepting the request. And I would like to thank the Vice Chancellor and all the faculty members, students who are here for this MOU signing ceremony. Thank you very much. The session is off for the day. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you very much, sir.
डायरेक्टर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बैठे हुए हैं, भी नजर आ रहे हैं मुझे.
सर